am super excited about my new laundry ball from VibesUp. And I've been using magnets to wash my laundry for the last 10 years, and then sometimes I buy this 7th generation or some kind of eco-friendly soap. But I just love this because you don't need any soap, and same with the magnets. And the magnets have done a great job cleaning my laundry, but I left them somewhere, don't know where I did. And so I got this, and I was just reading the side of the box and decided this is one of the things I really want to highlight on my website, because your well-being is affected every single day by the personal care products you use, with over 60,000 chemicals. And I've heard before there's actually 200,000 chemicals circulating in our water, our air, food, and products. It has never been more important to welcome natural alternatives into our lives for the sake of our health and the planet that we live in. The VibesUp laundry ball is designed to reduce the amount of chemicals in the environment and our bodies by completely replacing the use of conventional washing detergents. So that means you can just put this in your laundry and you don't even have to use any soap. Being reusable for up to 365 washes, the laundry ball saves you loads of money and time on shopping, and also reduces packaging waste in the environment. It also keeps chemicals out of our water. The scientifically formulated mineral pellets inside ensure a powerful wash by assisting with lifting away dirt, odors, and germs without fading colors, all while maintaining the elasticity of fibers. The laundry ball is hypoallergenic, ideal for babies, children, and those with sensitive skin. So, inside, there's little balls that can help eliminate mold and bacteria, help elevate the water's pH to similar levels as laundry detergent, may also be helpful with eliminating chloride compound in water, and it has far infrared and negative ions, which help increase molecular motion and decrease surface tension, assisting the cleaning process. That's similar to how the magnets work as well. And it's something about structured water that I've learned that's really fascinating. Water attaches itself, and sometimes as it goes through pipes, it gets in these big clumps, and there are these big water molecules, and that makes the surface tension really high. And it makes it hard for those molecules to get in there and carry away the dirt. So what this does, helps break down those large water molecules into smaller water molecules. And structured water is even smaller molecules, and they're structured in a pattern that's more coherent, more able to slip through the fibers of your clothes and carry the dirt away. Better than laundry detergent. So, thanks for watching, and hope you'll get one of these VibesUp laundry balls and save the water that you use from having chemicals in it as well. Bye!